I want to be the Boshi. Oh man, I want to be the Boshi, eh? Where do you get that game from? You get it off Steam, don't you? Or is it you just Google it and go to the website or the developers or something? Get away from me. Artorias is a hurdle, alright. Yeah. He's like one of those personal hurdles that just seems to... What new game is this? This is blind first run. Boshi is free on Solgren.org, I think. Oh, okay, cool. Oh yeah, the elevator. Thank you, Hollow. Alrighty. He'll always good on the first playthrough. Yeah, that's what I've been told. Just wait for the final boss in this DLC. That's what everyone's been saying to me. Wait for the final DLC boss. Wait for it. Well, if you got about the elevator, the run back then to the boss door probably takes more time to call it normally. Oh crap. Oh god, that's Solair's Talesman. Okay. Pimpin can tell you all about it. He's seen it. Speedrun strats. Oh my god. No, you're not. Oh, you're so aggressive. Just mellow out a bit, you know? Chill out, bro. One more. And another. Nah. I'm over here. Nah. That one little jab. I didn't even give him a proper funeral. I want to know how keen everyone is for Dark Souls 3 and what's their thoughts. No, not so much spoilers, but just what their thoughts are on it. You can, you know, whatever's obviously been brought out about the game, you can say, but yeah, I want to know what, you know, pros and cons about it from what you've seen so far. He still got me in mid-roll. Oh no. I'm dead. So I took them. Dark 3 Souls. Wait, Dark Souls 3 height I'm hyped. Can't wait for DS4. Being an amalgamation of the best stuff from the Soulsborne franchise. Can't wait, yeah. You got that right, Chad. Ratchet and Clank old school. That hitbox. I know his hitbox is just, I don't know what it is. When he does that big jump slam, his hitbox for that skill is pretty big. Havoc, cheers for the follow, man. Welcome to the Pain Train. Much appreciated. So everyone's really hyped for Dark Souls 3 except Grey. What if it's a lot like Bloodborne Grey? Are you going to be hyped for it then? What if you play it and you like it more than Bloodborne? Oh, I'm dead. Oh, where am I going? Alright, you'll be hyped then. That's good. Yeah, I kinda should've got Dark Souls on Dark Souls 3, I'm excited. That's good. Just hasn't got the hype for me. Have you seen much on it? I haven't. Kinda trying to keep it all a mystery. Yeah. What about Bloodborne DLC? Does anyone think that'll ever come out? Oh god. Such a bad start. One more. Perfect. Oh my god. Come on, bro. Just let me kill you. Up your butt. Oh, that's nasty as. Come on. I'm tempting fate here. Roar. In my opinion, he is harder. Where were you going? What are you doing, man? He's just like gone on a rampage now. Anger's clouded his judgment. But I have to be careful because he will whoop my ass. I seem to have died more on this guy, but spent less time doing it than I did on Ornstein and Smaug. It took me 14 hours to beat those two. It's taken me like roughly 11 hours to get this guy probably down past half health. So I find this guy a lot harder, even though there's only one of them. I could have hit him twice there. Oops. What is that? Acid or some shit? Why can't you do one more? I'm sorry if I'm making everyone dizzy, but this is like the only way I feel I can beat him. Just by constantly spinning around, going right. Again? Oh my god, that damage. Oh shit. Really? Come on, I just need a little break, a little gap where I can heal. No! 2,000 tries. It's now, yeah, 120 tries. The Estus greed, yeah, it happens. When he buffs, yeah. Fix your tip system. It should be working fine, man. I don't know why it's not coming through, dude. Try going hyper aggressive when he buffs to knock him out of it. Yeah, I've tried it a couple of times. I can try it again. I just gotta. Oh, you cheeky bugger! I gotta You tried again and nothing popped up. What? It could be the system, dude. I don't know. It could be down for some reason. I'll quickly close it. Can he be parried? I think he can. Interrupt the farts. Okay. I just gotta quickly relaunch my Twitch alerts. Just bear with me a quick tick. See if it's working. Yep, there we go.